Chapter 3: Managing Files and Folders in Windows 10. In this lesson, we are going to learn about managing files and folders in Windows 10. Features of Windows 10. Windows 10 is an operating system that Microsoft has created for use on personal computer. It is based on Graphical User Interface (GUI) that allows you to interact with the system visually. Some features of Windows 10 are graphics. It has a unique and attractive look. It also consists of many colorful themes. Multitasking. Windows 10 can perform more than one task at a time. For example, you can draw on MS Paint along with listening to music on the internet with the help of a web browser. Start menu. In Windows 10, the Start menu provides access to all the programs and applications in your computer along with a search option which you can use to launch these programs and applications. Home group. You can easily connect 2 or more PCs running Windows 10 on your home network to automatically start sharing resources with other people in your home network. Jump lists. You can view recent documents in a program that is pinned to your taskbar. To open a jump list of a program, just right-click on any program icon on the Windows 10 taskbar. Snap. It is a quick and new way to resize opened windows simply by dragging them to the edges of your screen. Taskbar. The taskbar in Windows 10 is application-oriented, which means you can pin any application on the taskbar and open it in just one click. Play to. With this new feature, you can share music from your PC to your home entertainment system or stream slideshows and videos to another computer or your TV. Windows Touch. When you pair Windows 10 with a touchscreen PC, you can browse online newspapers, flick through photo albums, and shuffle files and folders using only your fingers. Files. A computer file is a container used for storing information in a computer. Every file in a computer is stored with a name. Every file of the same kind has the same extension. For example, all MS Word file ends with an extension of docs. We can retrieve information from a file and use it at any time. Folders. A folder is a container for storing files and other folders. It can store multiple files in one location. Every folder has a name so that you can find all your files at one location. A folder created inside another folder is known as a subfolder. Managing files and folders. Let us learn some ways with the help of which you can work with these files and folders on a computer. Steps to create a file or a folder. Follow the steps to create a file or a folder on the desktop of your computer. Step 1. Right-click on the blank area of the desktop. Step 2. Select the New option. Step 3. Click on the Folder option to create a folder, or click on any of the file types from the list to create a file of that type. Open a file or a folder. Follow the steps to open a file or a folder created on the desktop. Step 1. Select a file or a folder that you want to open. Step 2. Right-click on it and select Open from the shortcut menu that appears. Or press the Enter key. Or double-click on a file or a folder you want to open. Rename a file or a folder. Follow the steps to rename a file or a folder created on the desktop. Step 1. Select a file or a folder you want to rename. Step 2. right-click on it and select Rename from the shortcut menu that appears. Step 3. Type the new name for the file or folder. Step 4. Press the Enter key. Selecting adjacent files or folders. Follow the steps to select several adjacent files or folders at the same time. Step 1. Single-click on the first file or folder that you want to select. Step 2. Press and hold the Shift key. Step 3. Click the last file or folder you want to select. All the adjacent files or folders will be selected. Selecting non-adjacent files or folders. Follow the steps to select several non-adjacent files or folders. Step 1. Single-click on the first file or folder that you want to select. Step 2. Press and hold the Ctrl key. Step 3. Now click on each file or folder that you wish to select. Deleting files or folders. Follow the steps to delete the files or folders created on the desktop. Step 1. Select the file or folder that you want to delete. Step 2. Right-click and select Delete. Move a file or a folder. Follow the steps to move a file or a folder. Step 1. Select the file or folder that you want to move. You can select more than one file or folder. Step 2. Right-click on it and then select the Cut option from the shortcut menu that appears. Step 3. Locate and open the folder where you want to move the selected file or folder. Step 4. Right-click on the blank area of the folder where you want to move the selected file or folder. Step 5. Select the Paste option from the shortcut menu that appears. Copy a file or a folder. Follow the steps to create a duplicate file or folder. Step 1. Select the file or folder that you want to copy. You can select more than one file or folder. Step 2. Right-click on it and then select the Copy option from the shortcut menu that appears. Step 3. Locate and open the folder where you want to copy the selected or folder. Step 4. Right-click on the blank area of the folder where you want to move the selected file or folder. Step 5. Select the Paste option from the shortcut menu that appears. Restoring a deleted file or folder. Follow the steps to restore a file or a folder from the recycle bin. Step 1. Open the recycle bin. Step 2. Right-click on the file or folder and select the Restore option. Step 3. The selected file or folder disappears from the recycle bin and the file or folder gets restored to its original position. In case you want to delete the files or folders permanently from the recycle bin, right-click on the recycle bin and select the option Empty Recycle Bin.